Hello and welcome to the CleanSlate theme development tutorial series. My name is Adam, and today we are going to learn about getting access to and creating sites in CleanSlate. So how do you actually get access to sites in CleanSlate? And how do you get access to a site's theme? How do you create a new site in CleanSlate? That's what we're going to talk about here today. So if you go to cleanslatecms.wvu.edu and click How-Tos and Tips, and then you scroll down to Theme Development, then you go to the Getting Started Guide. The first part, step one of the Getting Started Guide, is to fill out the Theme Developer CleanSlate request form. So this outlines the different steps that you're going to have to take in order to either request an account or request a new site be made in CleanSlate. And you can just click on the form. It will take you directly to the actual site development request form. So this is once you already have a account in CleanSlate and you are a prof tech or designer requesting a new site, you would fill out this form, basically fill out all the fields and submit it, and that form would get returned to University Relations, and we would process the request and then send you back an email. If you are a brand new developer to CleanSlate, instead of filling out the site development request form, you should fill out the CleanSlate request a CleanSlate developer account form, and that link can be found right here. And similarly, you would fill out this form. You make sure to provide your supervisor's name and email, and University Relations will get the request. We will process it and send you an email back. And when I say process it, what does that actually mean? That means in CleanSlate we will make sure that you have enhanced privileges to a designer role, which gives you the option to see a functionality like, for example, if you go into a site, you'll have this sync theme option. That is only available to people in CleanSlate with designer roles and higher. And you will also get access to Bitbucket. So we like we've mentioned before, we store all of our themes in Bitbucket in a private organization, and when we process this request, we will add you to Bitbucket so that you can download, clone themes, make changes, push those changes to the repository, and then ultimately sync them in CleanSlate. So that about wraps this up. In the next video, we're going to talk about setting up your computer for CleanSlate development. Stay tuned.